to tell you a story about my visit to India. I had an awakening in the middle of the night with a tooth that was just going to drive me crazy. And I was fortunate to visit the dental room and receive excellent emergency care that took care of my tooth pain. And I just want to tell you that if you have just your routine dental needs or special procedures, the dental room is the place to come.
And I felt so glad that we were taken care of in such a compassionate sort of way at the dental room that turned out what could have been a terrible experience into a very great experience for us here in India.
So, for all your dental needs, we recommend the dental room.